and today we are going to discuss something very interesting. Actually, it's something that you can use to make your money. Remember, for the last 2 videos, we have been discussing how to double your money. Now, we are still on the same topic, and in this time, I'll actually give you a calculation that you can use that actually you can implement and make sure that you achieve that goal. Let's get into it. All right. Did you know that you can make 5 million by investing 300 bob daily? Yes, 300 bob. If in Kenya shillings, 300 bob Kenya shillings daily, and you can achieve 5 million. So you need to be very strategic in your investment and how you do it. But before we get into the detail, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Click the bell button so that you can actually be getting alerted when I upload a new video. All right. So by investing 300 bob daily at an interest of 8% or interest rate of 8% within 20 years, then you can definitely make that money. So if you're in campus, you're 20 years old, by the age of 40, you definitely have made that 5 million by just saving 300 bob. What that means is that if your salary is about, let's say, 10,000, yeah, or if you normally make 1,000 shillings per day from your business, and you intentionally save 300 bob to your, money market fund or wherever it is that gives you an 8% or whatever, investment vehicle that you choose, then by the age of 40, you should definitely be able to achieve that. Let's look at this worksheet. I have month 1, month 2, up to month 12. So this is 1 year. And you decide on day 1, January 1st for the year, you'll be saving 300 bob. The interest is 8%. So I've calculated the interest rate or interest that you'll be paid for that particular day. It's about 0.07 bob. And you'll end up with 300 bob 0.07. And since it's a cumulative formula, this money, you're going to deposit another 300 the next day. So you add to yesterday's 300.07. So you have 600.07. You apply the rate again, and you achieve 600. And by the end of the month, you will have achieved 9,332.69. All right. So what does that mean? Month 2, you take the 9,332.69 and you start your month 2 with it. All right. And you apply the rate again and you keep building. So you end up with 17,515 at the end of month 2. You go to month 3 and you start with it. And remember, every day you're depositing 300 bob, right? So you'll be adding 300 bob to the previous balance that was there for the year, and up to month 12. So in month 12, you have 111,548.87 for the year. So for the group that we have been working on with the 52 weeks challenge, so with 300 bob saving in a good investment vehicle that earns you 8% per annum, you should be able to make over 100,000 that year. So if in 1 year you have made that 111, let's go to the summary and we see in year 1 you've made 111. So you use the same formula in year 2 and make 238. Finally, in year 20, you have your 5.3 million you have made. So if you want actually to make that money, you can actually have this on the side. If you're a student right now, you can also start because you have pocket money, right? So it doesn't matter what age you are, you can start with small monies, and definitely in those 20 years, you'll be a multimillionaire. You'll be that classified there. And you can buy whatever property that you need. And in fact, you can see at year 7, you've already become a millionaire, right? It's that easy. 300 bob per day for 7 years, you're a millionaire. So that is the example I just wanted to give you today. And if you want this Excel sheet, I will be attaching it at the bottom so that you can use it. And if you don't find it, please, you can email me. My email address is also at the bottom of this particular video. You should be able to reach me and we have a conversation. All right. So that was it for now. Thank you for listening in. You can subscribe. And if you want to learn more, we have a lot of courses at amaracampus.com. You can go to courses.amaracampus.com and you should be able to find a lot of courses that you can work with to be able to build the fabulous lifestyle that you've been looking for. You can also reach me on this particular email, coach@lucymunga.com. Thank you so much for now, and let's meet next week on another video. Subscribe, click the bell button, and let's keep the conversations going. Goodbye for now.